So SWOT analysis is simply strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So again, this is you looking at your business and seeing what works and what maybe needs to improve. So that's strengths and weaknesses, but then equally looking externally as well. So what opportunities are there out there, or what threats are there to my business that I need to be aware of? So strengths, for instance, why do you think you are better than the competition? What is it that you do that you can really build upon? How is it that you differentiate yourself from some of your competitors? That could be very specific to your business, but if you can identify what works really well for you and you know that, then you can build on that and you can continually stress that to your customers and your customer base. Looking that around, then maybe you want to think about what things could potentially improve, or what do you lack that would, and if you could get that into your business, that would significantly transform that business. That could be, say, new piece of machinery, some other asset, maybe some new team members, sales director, marketing team, whatever that could be. But is there something in your business that isn't quite there, that will need to improve, that you could work upon? Opportunities then is about looking at what's happening in your sector. So this is kind of going back to Pestle, where we looked at the external environment and what's happening in your market. So that moves to sustainability. Is there any way that I can change my business model that takes advantage of that? Is there something I can do differently with my packaging or the way I deliver my product that can maybe help me differentiate myself? Equally then, threats could be, what are other competitors doing that's kind of leaving me behind a little bit? That could be your financial position. I don't know how many of you sit down regularly with your accountant or your bank manager and run through your financials, but actually understand them and what they are showing you. Not many people do that in my experience, but it's a really great thing to do.